Looks cool. It's fun. I have no idea what to paint, so I'm going to look at my brainstorming. Okay, whatever. What is this? I honestly don't like any of these, so I'm going to choose an alien. Start with light lines. You can darken the ones you would like to keep later. I have no purple. Oh no! Wow, I just made purple with red and blue. Oh no, I want orange. What am I to do? Clean your brush. Dry your brush with your paper towel. Take some red. Technically, this is pink. However, pink is a tint of red. Take some yellow. Guess what? I now have orange. How do I make green? Take some blue. Clean your brush. Dry your brush. Blue plus yellow equals green. Wow, I have green now. I really have no idea what I am going for. I'm just going with it. Just keep going with it, I guess. I don't know. Let's use that purple. Oh, I just made a mistake. Oh no. Use your paper towel to dry off your paintbrush. I have made a lot of mistakes here. I think I just overdid it. Well, I'll just go with it. We have to do the best we can with what we have. Oh no, what am I doing? Let your painting dry. Fix your lines. Take a black marker or any color you'd like and fix your lines. Oops. Oh no, this is not looking so great. That's okay. Do the best you can with what you have. Make it work. I'm just gonna do whatever. I should probably stop now. Oh no, I broke my crayon again. Oh no, I made another mistake. Guess what? Too bad.